Hey everyone, this is Rob with InVideo, and today we'll see how you can duplicate your videos in InVideo. If you are currently in the editor, you can duplicate your project from the option on the top that says Resize. You can resize and duplicate the current project you are working on in a different dimension too. Once you click on the Resize button, please choose what dimension you'd want the duplicate project to be in. After you choose the dimension, click on Duplicate and Resize, and the duplicate project will open in a new tab for you. If you are currently in the Projects page, please follow these steps to duplicate a project or draft. Click on the three dots on the project you want to duplicate and you should see the Duplicate button. Choose and click the dimension you'd want to duplicate it in. Your new duplicated project should open now. And that's how you duplicate a project. If you want to learn more about how you can make the most of InVideo, or if you have any other questions, check out our help page at help.invideo.io.